Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange fields on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rearrange these fields. Maybe you want date created to be on the left-hand side. How do you actually go ahead and rearrange these fields? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the simple way to do it is that you could actually drag this field and move it to the left in order to rearrange these fields. In addition to that, if you click on Customize and then click on Fields, you'll actually be able to turn off or on different fields depending on which you want. So let's say that we want to go ahead and turn off Assignee. Assignee has now been removed. But let's also say that we want due date to be to the left-hand side. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rearrange fields on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.